Hey Ryan, this is Randy with Hanley Dish Consulting. I just wanted to send you this quick video kind of showing you what we went over the other day. So, first off, um, I'm looking at your Facebook page, and what we had talked about was trying to build your profile for your business. And you can see right here you got 44 followers or 45 followers. You're making a few posts, and I know you just created this page. So we want to keep making sure that we're doing that. We also want to make sure that we have all those socials that we had went over, the Instagrams, the LinkedIn's, and we also want to create that Google business profile. So we want to make sure that you go up here and you create your Google business profile for your business. And then we want to put those pictures that you were posting on Facebook, post them here. Um, Give a good description about your GMB. And then we also want to make sure that we get good reviews. This is your top competitor in your Google Map Pack. They have 7 reviews. Uh, some of these guys have 10, 19, and so forth. So good reviews will help you, and also just making sure that you're posting to it all the time, making updates. That'll definitely help. So what I did was is I went in here and I pulled up some of your top competitors. So this is guys, they were ranked number one for uh, home remodelers in in Latrobe. So I went ahead and pulled this up for you. I just wanted to show you what their back end looks like, and you can kind of see right here that they have a submit form. They have a call to action right here. Uh, Good bit of content. So let's go check out their back end. So you can see that they're getting around 544 traffic. They're being found for 1,600 words, 76 referring domains, 297 backlinks. They have UR and DR. That's pretty good. But this right here is the most important part, is that 544 traffic. So you're missing out on all that traffic because we don't have your website. Um, these guys right here, Kitchen Remodel and Bath Galleria, pull them up. They're ranked number two, or they're ranked number one for kitchen and bath. So I wanted to show you that. See, they have 113 traffic. Um, so again, that's a lot of potential leads coming through that you're not even being found for since you don't have a website. And again, these guys right here, they had 388 traffic. So obviously the search volume's there in that area, especially for their services. So a website would definitely help you. Um, and some of the ways that you can do that is with content, backlinks, and citations. So content is what I'm referring to is words and images. So again, you want to make sure you have around 1,500 words on your homepage, like these guys do. So the more the better, and that's for you to get found on Google. Citations will help you be found for on your GMB. So it's any kind of registry like Yelp and Yellow Pages, and the more you have, the better. And so we definitely need to get this GMB created. And it's pretty simple. You really just need to go to a blank page, click on this, and then create your profile for your business page. It's really easy. Um, and the third way is with the backlinks. So again, when I went over here and I showed you these backlinks, these referring domains is where the link is coming from. So the more traffic it has, if it's a do follow and so forth, is the better. And a lot of times these are expensive, and normally cost a couple, hundreds of dollars a month to get these added to your website. So again, with that HD leads, it kind of helps you kind of control all your leads in one spot. So if that's something you're interested, just let me know. But with that being said, man, I hope this helps. Really, you could just get you create this GMB and all those socials for you because those are free, and that'll kind of help you build your brand. And so I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, or let's talk about what we talked about the other day. So I appreciate you for watching, buddy, and have a good day.